So hello guys, today we are going to do one more interesting question, which is moving the elements, like moving the zeros to the end. So I will tell you one example, then you can understand what I am saying about the question. Like the question is 10056. So the output should be, what should be the output? The output should be 1560 and 0. So I will tell you how to solve this type of questions. Let's start the video. So I will tell you both the brute force as well as the optimal solution. So for the brute force, the time complexity and the space complexity will be big of n, because we are using one extra array of n length, so that's why the space complexity will be big of n. But for the optimal solution, I will try to find the solution in big of 1. So first we will start with the brute force solution. So int n, c in n, int array of n for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, c in array of I. Now what we will do, we will just check, we will just make a k equals to 0, and then we will just check for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If array of I is not equals to 0, what we will do, we will just array of k plus plus equals to array of I, and then we will just go while k is less than n, array of k plus plus equals to 0. Now here we will run the loop for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, see out array of I. So I will tell you how this code is running. So for example, I took 1 0 0 2 3. So first it will check, like this is not 0, so array of 0 will be 1, and the k value will be increment to 1. Now it is 0, so it will continue, it won't take the value. Again it is 0, it will continue, then it is 2, so array of 1 will be 2. Now k value again will increment to how much? It will be 2, so array of 2 now will be 3. Now its k value is still 2. Now we have to go while k is less than n. So now the array of 3 will be 0 and array of 4 will be 0, because the n size is 5, so it will run only till 4. So now the output will be 1 2 3 0 0. I hope you understood the dry run of this code. So let's run the output and let's check whether we are correct or not. 5 1 0 0 2 3. 1 0 0 2 3. Wait. 5 1 0 0 2 3. So it is 1 2 3 0 0. If you want to give spaces, you can give like this. It's your choice. 5 1 2 0 0 5. So it's like that. Okay. So this is the brute force solution, and the time and the space complexity of this code is big O of n. Now I will go with the optimal solution. So in the optimal solution, we will take the space complexity of big O of 1. So let's first I will do the dry run 1 0 0 2 and 3 4. Let's take any example. So now I am initializing j equals to 0. Now if for every iteration in I am checking if array of I is not equals to 0, I will just swap array of I comma array of j, and then I will just do the j plus plus. So I will tell you how it is running. So the one, see 1 is not 0, so it will swap array of 0 comma array of 0, so it won't change, and the j value will become now 1. So now it's a 0, so it will not increment and nothing will happen. Again it's 0, so nothing will happen. At 2, what it will do, it will just swap the array of 3 and array of 1. So now the output will be 1 2 0 0 and 4, and the j will increment to 2. Okay, now again it will check, it is not 0, means the fourth element, so again it will swap array of 2 comma array of 4. Now again the output will be 1, 2, 4, 0 and 0. So this we have to print. I hope you understood how it is working, and the space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra space. That's why this is more optimal than the previous solution which I already told you. So let's run this code. You don't have to make, we will just make k only, it's fine. And then we will just check if array of I is not equals to 0, so we will just swap array of I comma array of j, and we will just do j plus plus, and here we will include one header file which is algorithm for swapping the elements. So let's run the code. It's swap array of I. Okay, wait, I need its k, so wait, I will make it j. 5 1 0 0 2 3. So it is 1 2 3 0 0. I hope you understood the question. Thank you for watching my channel.